Confusion does not always mean God is silent. Sometimes it means your life has become too loud, too many voices, too many desires, too many distractions, too many emotions, trying to sit on the throne of your decisions. But Jesus showed us two weapons that bring clarity back to the soul: prayer and fasting. Before Jesus moved in power, he prayed. Before he faced temptation, he fasted. Before major decisions, he withdrew, because clarity does not come from noise. Clarity comes when the flesh becomes quiet and the spirit hears the King. 1. Prayer aligns your will. Prayer is not just asking God to bless your plans. Prayer is where your plans bow to his government. Jesus prayed, "Not my will, but yours be done." That is clarity, not when God explains everything, but when your heart becomes surrendered enough to obey the next step. Prayer clears the fog because it removes self-rule. And when self-rule is removed, the voice of the King becomes easier to recognize. 2. Fasting silences the flesh. Fasting is not hunger for attention. It is hunger under authority. The flesh says, "Feed me, comfort me, distract me, give me what I want now." But fasting says, "You are not my king." When Jesus fasted, the enemy tempted him with bread. But Jesus answered, "Man shall not live by bread alone." Because fasting teaches your body. That appetite does not get the final word. The King does. And if you feel called to fast, but need help starting with focus, we created a free fasting battle plan to help you quiet the flesh and seek the King with purpose. You can get it through the link in the bio or the pinned comment. And when prayer and fasting come together, clarity does not just enter your life. It begins to reveal three things the enemy wanted to keep hidden. First, clarity brings direction. You stop moving just because you feel pressure. You stop rushing just because you are afraid. You begin to ask, "King Jesus, where are you leading me?" Second, clarity brings discernment. You begin to see what is pulling you away from God: the relationship, the habit, the entertainment, the voice, the opportunity. That looks good, but does not carry peace. Not every open door comes from heaven. Clarity helps you test the fruit. Third, clarity brings peace. Not because everything is fixed, but because your heart is no longer ruled by confusion. You may not know the whole path, but you know the King, and that is enough for the next step. And if this message spoke to you, type, "King Jesus, give me clarity."